Hey YouTube, it's your girl Devonna Nicole. I am back today to unbox my FabFitFun box. So in our big boy box, this is what it looks like when you open it up. They have Step Into the Sun. So there's some information here. If you are interested in getting a FabFitFun box, there's a card here where you can get $15 off for a friend. So if you guys want to know, how you can get your $15 off, hit me up in them comment box. I will give this to you, boo. I will give it to you because I want you to get your $15 off and get this box. This box is so much fun. It's like Christmas every time it comes. It's like a Christmas present for myself. And I love the fact, because I'm an annual member, I get to pick my choices of products, and they're allowing you to pick so many more choices every single time. So it's great. So the next thing in here is some stickers. This can be fun. You could put this on your calendar, journaling, if you do like a planner or something. This is great. So we always get our wonderful little magazine here. It gives us all the information about what's in our box. It gives you information about how to use the different products or tools that's in your box. So this month, give yourself a summer glow up is one of the articles, and refreshing summer sips. So if you like to have a little cocktail like I do myself, then there's a little something in here for you. What the heck is this? I have no freaking idea. Oh yeah, okay. So this is the wrap. This is the wrap, I remember. So this is supposed to be like a versatile wrap that you can wear. I was thinking the material was going to be like, I don't know, I guess silkier or thinner or something. And I like the way they presented it. Very nice, but it looks like a dinner napkin. The way it's all wrapped up. Like a dinner napkin. I'm sorry guys, I'm so silly. But that was one option. Was that from the front? Yes. So this is the multi-wear wrap. This was my first customization item that I could choose. So that's what I got. This out the way. I have a Ray and Done product here. I think, was this the guacamole bowl set? I think I chose that. Yes, that's what this is. So the Guac and Salsa Bowl set. So it comes with a guac bowl and a spoon. I don't know if you guys can see here, but I will try to show. And let's pop this open really quick, so you guys can get the full view of what I got here, So these are the little spoons. For some reason I thought they were going to be bigger than this, but that could just be me. And I know Ray and Done is pretty popular. A lot of people like to buy their products. You'll see that a lot, like at Home Goods and stuff. They're very popular. So this is, ooh, if I don't drop it, Jesus Christ, I'm up here about to drop the thing, slippery fingers. So this is the guac bowl. I love guac and chips. This will be used, definitely. So that's the bowl for the guac. I don't know how big this is, but make it hot in the microwave, dishwasher safe, made in China. What isn't made in China these days? And the salsa bowl I'm trying to get out for you guys. So this is the salsa bowl is bigger, but I just thought it was cute. It's good for entertaining. You got friends over. I think this is so nice to just kind of have something to present your guac and chips in, and just, it's just fun. It's summertime fun. Everything doesn't have to be so serious. So that was that. The Malin and Goat's Vitamin E Face Moisturizer. And let's see what this has a value of. That appears to be a very full-size bottle there. I don't know what choice selection that was. I should have went in my choice selections first. What is this? This is choice selection 3. So this was choice selection 3, the Vitamin E Moisturizer. I don't see no cost on here, so maybe they did away with that. I'm assuming they may have, because I don't see anything about what it cost at all. So we're not going to delay. We're going to move this train right along. So this was my option 3 customization. So this is what I chose. I could have received a number of different things. So as we can see, this is section 3 here, so you guys could check it out. That's what I could have got. or chosen rather. But this is what I decided to go with because I didn't need any more wine tumblers. I already have one of them. I didn't need the blue light glasses. I already have those. I didn't need the build your own bracelet kit. No, I don't have time. And I didn't need the poolside pouch because I already have one. And they had living proof dry shampoo. Didn't want that. And the other thing was a AG hair curl activator. Didn't need that. So this is what I chose for number 3. So my next thing in here we're pulling out, I have Sensuals natural organic skincare, and this is a vitamin E serum. I mean a vitamin C serum. I stand corrected. And I don't know how much this costs because again, there's nothing on here about what it costs. Let's see what option this was for. This was customization number 4, guys. That's what this was. So in number 4, I could have got this or the Ciate London watermelon burst setting spray or the African Botanics shimmering gold oil, or I could have got the TF Publishing brain teaser activity books. So I like vitamin C. Vitamin C helps my skin look great. So I went with the serum, and it does have hyaluronic acid in it as well, which is also great for helping your skin. So this antioxidant rich serum helps to improve the appearance of skin while working to protect and preserve from external damage. Formulated with vitamin C, E, hyaluronic acid, and Eldwise stem cells to hydrate and prevent skin from oxidizing, leaving skin with a beautiful healthy glow. So that sounds dope. Glad I got that. Let's go to guys. We have the lip butter mask, and I don't know if that was a customization or if this is one of the ones they threw in here. A lip mask would be something that I would choose if I had a choice, probably. Me no see. I don't see that at all. So it may have been one of the ones that you didn't have a choice on, because I don't see anything about that on here. And I think we've already covered the beginning one. So I'm going to say no. I don't know. And we're moving on. That's what's minted lipstick. I have no idea if it was an add-on or what if it was one I chose. I probably chose it in a minute. Yes, I chose this. This was a choice. It was customization number 5. And you had 3 colors you could choose from, which was blood orange, peachy keen, or black of the berry. So I chose black of the berry. And this is what I could have chosen for customizations number 5 at the top here, guys. So I didn't need a My Tan body skin. God already made me tan. Thank you very much. Don't need no help there. It had a Roar Selfie Light Ring. Don't need that. Dr. Brandt Pores No More Cleanser. I believe I already have that. Flight Mode High Altitude Hydration Mask. I believe I have that. And then the other thing here was this tray. And then they have cutting boards. I already have that. I ain't need that either. So that's what I chose. And our next thing is customization number 6. So I went with the pineapple tray. And what is this? So it's a pineapple ice cube tray. So your little ice cubes can turn out like pineapples, which I think is cute. Like if you're having friends over and you're making drinks and the girls getting together, having these little pineapple cocktail like ice cubes would look so cute in your glass. I know people didn't like that one, but I thought it was cute. Like, I mean, it's just a fun way of having some fun. Then you have the lime, the citrus squeezer here for the lime juice. So citrus squeezer, I already actually have one, but mine is getting pretty beat up, so this will come in handy for margaritas with your lime juice, or you know, lemons, lemonade, whatever you want to use it for. I just know it's going to be used for lime, so for margaritas. So just ignore me. I'm extra, I know. So you had a set. I'm missing something out of here. Hold on. Okay, so the lip mask that we had from earlier, this was one whole set together. So you would get the Art and Cook Citrus Squeezer, the Blush Pineapple Tray, and the Seraphine Botanicals lip mask as one whole option together. And they had 2 other options, but this is what I chose for customization 6. You could also got some socks and eye gels, or Skin & Company had a cleansing cream and a pore clay mask, but I just chose this. I didn't really need any of those things because I have so much of other stuff. So review for this box, this is what I got. Number 1 customization is the wrap. Number 2 is was the Ray Dunn guacamole set was number 2, and that was my second customization. Customization 3 was the Malin and Guac Vitamin E Face Moisturizer. Number 4 customization was the Mented Cosmetics Lipstick, which I'm very happy about. Number 5 was our set here with the lime juice squeezer, pineapple cubes, and the lip mask. And I guess this other one here, which is the Sensuals Vitamin C Serum, was probably one of the ones you don't get to pick and they put in your box, is what I'm assuming. So that's what was in my box, guys. Let me know what you guys got, because I know some people weren't exactly thrilled about some of the options. And you know what? It's a lifestyle box. You're not going to like everything. Sometimes you may like half the box. I thought it was a pretty alright box for me. I'm pretty satisfied with the things that I picked and what I got in this box. I did do some add-ons, so I'm going to quickly run through those with you. I did get for add-ons. Oops, I'm over here adding extra shit. So one of my add-ons that I got was Here Comes the Sun Vitamin D, High Potency Vitamin D by Hum. And this was an add-on product for me. I feel like I'm chocolate, but I like to hide from the sun, so I don't really be out in the sun like I probably should be, and I'm trying to get better at that. So but I thought the vitamin D supplements will help me with that. The next thing I got was the Jumbo Blender, and I wanted this because I already have a blender, but I hate pulling out my bulky blender to do like my protein shakes, and I needed another blender to do like smoothies and stuff in. And I was thinking that this little blender would be a pretty, look, everything falling apart. I'm trying to show you guys and I'm like pulling it out in pieces. Jeez Louise, man. Come on, D. Let's get it together. So guys, this is the Jumbo Juice mini blender. I did purchase this separately in the add-ons. This was $39.99 if I remember correctly. It did come. This is what I was waiting to come so I can do the whole presentation. But I thought this would be neat, like having a small little blender. It's portable. You could take it with you if you travel, which I think is great, and you do smoothies and stuff, and you can have your little blender here with you. So I thought that was great. And it comes with a USB cord to just charge it up and use it. So I thought that was a great thing to purchase from the sale that I could make some good use out of. And the last thing that I purchased was, I did get the picnic blanket, which I think can probably double as a blanket to use at the beach anyway. But I wanted to get outside more and do like picnics, so I thought the picnic blanket would be like a great thing to get. So I did pick this up as well. I also got my box for free. They give you some free stuff now. So I got Lumify, the eye drops. I chose them. I never get to pick anything for free, because normally when I go on there, everybody's picked everything and there's nothing left. So I did get this. I do wear contacts and I do have dry eyes, so I want to try this out and see how this product works for me. If it's really good, it might be something I'll purchase. And then they gave us the Siesta Key beach ball. So I got a beach ball, go with my beach blanket. We're going to take both of these to the beach and have a good time. So in review, that is my FabFitFun unbox. I hope you guys enjoyed watching what I got. Please let me know what were your favorite items. What did you get in your box? Did you guys get this box? Did you get some of the same things I got? Have you tried the products out yet? Let me know what you guys really liked out this box. I thought it was a pretty decent box.